Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise and I hope all are doing good. Today I've come up with a Ramzan recipe which is very quick and easy. This is chicken popcorn. Kids and elders equally love this recipe. So quickly let's check what all the ingredients we require. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of milk. To the milk add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. We are trying to make buttermilk here. We can use ready-made buttermilk also, but do not try and take a curd for this. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then you will see the milk has curdled a bit. Now add half teaspoon of grated garlic. If you have garlic powder, you can add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now a small piece of onion. I'm going to grate the onion and add to this. Again, if you have onion powder with you, you can add 1 teaspoon of onion powder here. Quarter teaspoon of dried rosemary. 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginger powder. Half teaspoon of pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. If you have paprika, you can add that instead. 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes and half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. Now I'm adding 1 small size egg to this. Mix all of this together. Here I've taken about 200 grams of boneless chicken. Put the chicken into the milk mix and let this sit for at least 30 minutes to rest. You can also leave it overnight in the fridge. That will make the chicken more juicy and flavorful. It's been 30 minutes. Here I'm taking half cup of all-purpose flour, maida, and half cup of corn flour. To this I'm adding a little bit of pepper, salt and Italian herbs. Mix this all together. Here I'm taking little bit of the coating aside. If in case the mixture becomes soggy while coating, then I can use this one. Remove the chicken cubes from the milk mixture. Here I'm using a little strainer so that I can remove the excess milk from it. Now take each chicken piece and coat in the flour mix. Try to dust the excess flour like this. Transfer them onto a plate. Similarly, repeat the procedure with all the remaining chicken pieces. Once you have coated all the chicken pieces, now let's coat them for the second time. Take each chicken piece, dip them in the milk mixture and again coat it into the flour mix. Chicken pieces are ready. Now let's fry them. The oil should be in the medium flame. If it's too hot, then the chicken will brown fast from outside and the inside will remain a little uncooked. If the oil is not hot enough, then the chicken will not fry evenly and they will become a little soggy. So maintain the heat of the pan. It should be between medium high. Do not overcrowd the pan with lots of chicken pieces. That will also lower the temperature of the oil. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes in all to cook these pieces. So once they'll turn a little golden brown, you can remove it from the oil. This looks ready. Transfer them into a kitchen towel. Similarly, fry rest of the chicken pieces. Chicken popcorns are ready. Serve them hot with your favorite dip. Here I am serving it with some tomato ketchup and barbecue sauce. Hope you all enjoyed this quick and simple Ramzan snack recipe. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up. If you're trying my recipe, then do let me know your experience and the feedback in the comments below. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.